Hello everyone and welcome back once again in class 7. So today we are going to start our SST part civics and chapter number 5. This is your civics book and today we are going to start our chapter number 5. What is the name of the chapter? Women Change the World. So let's start our chapter. So beta, we are going to start our today's chapter, that is chapter number 5 from civics. Women Change the World, right? So before going into the chapter, I just want to go through first the glossary words. Okay, you should be aware about all these glossary words. The first one is stereotype. You can see on your screen as well, and if you have books, you can keep your books open, page number 67. What is stereotype? It is a particular thinking which we people create for someone. As if I say like about girls, so what are the works of girl? Definitely you will be thinking ki girls just have to cook food and to take care about their family. She has to be a good daughter, good wife, right, and good mother. But nowadays it is not there. Fine. So what is stereotype? This particular thinking which we have fixed for girls, and for boys, what is the work of the boy? If I'll talk about their profession, तो प्रोफेशन में क्या होता है, हम सोचेंगे ना, a boy can be a pilot, can be an engineer, but girls can be only nurse and teachers. So this is a stereotype, a particular thinking about a particular group or person. Okay. So next is discrimination. What is discrimination? When we do not treat people equally, that you have done in your chapter, I think, on equality, right? In that you have done the discrimination, the difference between male or female or poor or rich. Okay, when we do not treat people equally. Okay, that is called discrimination. Next is violation. You have heard about this now, violation, non-violence, right? When someone forcefully breaks the law or a rule or openly shows disrespect, that is called the violence. Okay. Next is sexual harassment. What is sexual harassment? This refers to physical or verbal behavior that is of a sexual nature and against the wishes of a woman. Those may be the physical harassment or like maybe abusing words which is against the wishes of a woman. So these are the glossary words. So next we are going to start our chapter. So everyone keep open your books and page number 54. So turn on your page number 54 everyone. Yes, here is the chapter. So what is the chapter? You can see on your screen, the women change the world. How? Do you believe this? Do you think that this is true? Yes, nowadays you can see in your surroundings as well. Like probably your teachers are female. If I give you an example, ask from your parents and from your grandparents that what is the difference between the education of girls and boys of nowadays and during their era, है ना. पहले क्या होता था कि जो गर्ल्स को और जो ग्रैंड आपके मदर है ना, ग्रैंड मदर से पूछना, तो they were not sent to school for study and for education. Why? Because during that time it was believed that girls just had to take care about household works, they have to take care about their families, they have to breed their like daughter, their son, their children. Okay, she just had to prove a good wife, good daughter and good mother. But nowadays definitely it is true that women can change the world. As in your last class also you have done na gender discrimination पढ़ा होगा आपने, है ना, and growing up boys and girls also you have done in your class 6. Fine. So today we are going one step ahead. So you can see on your page number 55 who does what work. So draw images of the following. You can paste the images as well. If I say on your page number 55, who does what work? Draw images of the following: a farmer, a factory worker, a nurse. So what strikes in your mind? If I say a farmer, definitely you are assuming कि farmer just can be a male only. Why? female also can be a farmer, and factory worker, both can be. If I talk about a nurse, what is a nurse? Nurse पता है क्या होता है? तो what is going to strike in your mind? Only women can be a nurse. Why? A male also can be a nurse. है ना, हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि अगर जो कोई इन हॉस्पिटल्स वी यूज टू गो टू हॉस्पिटल्स, तो क्या होता है, if male is doing the same work, the work which nurse is doing to that person we used to call compounder, but to male also we can call nurse. Okay, and then a scientist, a pilot and a teacher. If I talk about a scientist, तो आप सोचो कि साइंटिस्ट तो मेल ही हो सकता है. वाई? इट कैन बी अ फीमेल एज वेल. पायलट ऑल्सो कैन बी अ फीमेल. अ टीचर ऑल्सो मेल एंड फीमेल बोथ, यू कैन सी, राइट? सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस. सो नेक्स्ट इज, see what images your class drew by filling in the table below. Add up the number of male and female images separately for each occupation, right? So just ask from your friends that how many of you have drawn scientist as a male or female. Okay, then here is one table, category and male and female image. Teacher, how many of you think that teacher can be a boy, male or female? It can be a male or female both. Farmer can be male or female both. Factory worker also can be both. Nurse, yes, male also is called nurse only. Fine. Scientist, if you think scientist, I'll show you in the further table what is the result in a class, that how many of they just written on that table. Nurse can be a male or female. Scientist also can be a male or female, and pilot also can be male as well and female as well. Okay, so beta, now turn to your page number 56. On that you can see the same table which we have done on our page number 55. So see, Rosie ma'am's class has 30 children. How many children? 30 children. She did the same exercise in her class, and here is the result. The exercise which we have done on page number 55, the same exercise she had done in her class, and see the result. If I talk about the category, that is male image and female image, and out of 30, how many children have drawn that images of different occupations and different professions? टीचर, रोजी मैम ने दिया टीचर, तो कितने जनों ने मेल की इमेज बनाई और कितनों ने फीमेल की इमेज बनाई? यू कैन सी ऑन टीचर 5 ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स मेड मेल इमेज एंड 25 फीमेल इमेज, एंड ऑन फार्मर्स all 30 they drawn the picture of male only, right? And factory worker 25 male images and 5 female images, right? Nurse 0 male, because you people also think that nurse can be called to female only. No, nurse is a gender which can be used for both. Fine, nurse is a word which can be used for both the genders, for male and female. So out of 30, 0 image was for a male and 30 for female. Scientists only 5 for female and 25 for male. Then pilot 27 out of 30 were male images and 3 for female images, as you people also usually think the same, right? So next bache, on page number 57, turn to your page number 57. You can see here it's fewer opportunities and rigid expectation. If I'll talk about our society, we people, we also think the same, right? Because if I say ki okay, girls also can be pilots nowadays, right? Yes. If I say scientists also can be female also, and farmers also can be as a female farmer, but we people have created in our mind the stereotype. What is stereotype? We have just had words about the stereotype. क्या होता है कि हमने अपनी जो एक पर्टिकुलर थिंकिंग है ना, वो फिक्स कर ली है कि भाई टीचर मैक्सिमम फीमेल्स होते हैं, एंड फार्मर्स मैक्सिमम मेल होते हैं, एंड साइंटिस्ट ऑल्सो मैक्सिमम मेल नंबर्स. वाई? both can do both of the works, right? Because now in the era which we people are following now, in that all are getting same education, right? So fear, opportunities and rigid expectation, that is on your page number 57. If we'll read, a lot of children in Rosie ma'am's class view women as nurses and men as army officers. Why? Because we people also think the same, right? Nurse and army officers difference, and male and female, right? So the reason they did it, because they feel that outside the home too women are good at only certain jobs. हम सोचते हैं ना कि वुमेन तो टीचर्स अच्छी हो सकती हैं या फिर नर्सेज अच्छी हो सकते हैं, है ना? टेक्निकल जो वर्क है वुमेन कैन नॉट डू प्रॉपरली, है ना? दिस इज द थिंकिंग ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल नाउ इट इज एज वेल. सो दिस वॉज द थिंकिंग इन द क्लास ऑफ रोजी मैम एज वेल, विच द स्टूडेंट्स हैव फिल्ड इन द given table. Fine. So for example, many people believe that women can be better nurse, as we have already talked about the same. Similarly, it is believed that the science requires a technical mind and girls and women are not capable of dealing with technical things. But it is nowadays it is same only. Girls are too sharp even, right? In comparative to boys, girls are more intelligent nowadays. So because so many people believe in this stereotype, so stereotype is a particular thinking of us, we people only society, we people are created this kind of society of stereotype, है ना? So start it from your home, change it, right? So give that education to your girls, and girls, you too only start getting education in that field in which the society think that you are not capable of. Fine, prove yourself. So what is stereotype? We people only create this kind of stereotype. Fine. And in most of the families, this is the thinking that girls just has to finish their school and they encourage them for marriage. Not in every family, but in villages and some of the scheduled caste, tribe caste, low caste people, they usually think about these things. So here is a breaking stereotype. This is a story of Lakshmi. Fine. So engine drivers are men. We people also think कि engine drivers जो ज़्यादा कौन होते हैं? Men ही होते हैं, right? Male होते हैं. But 27 years old Lakshmi Lakra from a poor tribal family in Jharkhand has begun to change things. उसने क्या किया? She was a lady with full of zeal. She was a girl with full of zeal who just always loved to accept challenges. So she is the first woman engine driver for Northern Railways. So she was the very first engine driver for Northern Railways. Lakshmi's parents are not literate. उसके जो parents थे, they were not much educated, but they struggled a lot to give a proper education to their children. So Lakshmi studied in a government school. Even in school, Lakshmi helped with the housework and did odd jobs, as we have done in that chapter, no? Om Prakash Valmiki, है ना? He was also डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड देयर. उसके साथ भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता था ना, लाइक रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास ड्यूरिंग स्टडी टाइम they people used to study the rest of the class, and only Om Prakash Valmiki just have to sweep or mop the ground of the school, right? So same happened with Lakshmi. So she did odd jobs into the school, and she studied hard and did well, and then went on get a diploma in electronics, because she heard that girls cannot do this like electronics diploma, it is not in their hands. But she loved to accept challenges, as I already told you. So she accepted that challenge and did diploma in electronics, and in her first attempt only she cleared the railway board exam, and she was hired as a engine driver for Northern Railway. Fine. Then Lakshmi says, I love challenges, and the moment somebody says it is not for girls, I am sure I go ahead and do it. कहते हैं कि जब मुझे कोई ऐसा सुनने में आता है ना कि गर्ल्स कैनॉट डू इट, सो मैं वही काम करती हूँ जो लोग कहते हैं कि गर्ल्स कैनॉट डू इट. क्लियर? लक्ष्मी हैज़ हैड टू डू दिस सेवरल टाइम्स इन हर लाइफ. ये ऐसे ऐसे चैलेंजेस शी एक्सेप्टेड लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इन हर लाइफ. विच वर दिस टाइम्स? when she wanted to take electronics and people said it is not for the women, it is not for the girls. When she rode motorcycle at the polytechnic and when she was doing a diploma, she used to go to her college by motorcycle. Then also people said that this is the not for girls. Then after that, when she decided to become an engine driver, so everywhere she accepted these challenges and proved herself. So you too also try to prove yourself everywhere. Okay, so now beta, we are on our page number 58, right? So it is important to understand that we live in a society in which all children face pressures from the world around them. Even sometimes from our home only, we people are pressurized to do what are not our likings, right? Suppose if you are having your interest in English or like English or literature, but your parents sometimes they insist you to go for another subjects, so that also parents should understand, we should understand, we should go according to our likings. So here is the one story. Xavier was happy with the results of his class 10 board exam. Xavier is the name of a boy. He was very much happy because he got very good marks in history and languages, but in maths and science he got very less marks. But after looking at the report card, what was the reaction of his parents? My goodness, Xavier, you have managed only 65% in maths. Your marks in physics are too low. So his mother said, Ki Xavier, look at your result. See, only 65% you got in maths, and in physics, so too low, right? So he said, I know, Mama, but it's okay because I don't want to take maths or science. I want to study history. But what happened then? Why do you want to take history? Think about your future. His father said, why you want to take history? Fine. So you have to get a good job, and history will not help. It has no scope. So he was pressurized to take any other subject like maths or science or something in computers. So his father said, be sensible, son. May take maths and you can study computers side by side. The job market for computers is very good, right? So because in this era where we people are living, sometimes we are getting pressures from our family, right? Okay, next is learning for change. What is mean by learning for change? Do you know, as I already discussed, in the time of your grandparents and before that, there was a time when girls were not sent to the schools for their education, but nowadays it is very common. Girls are also getting proper education, boys are also getting the same, right? So learning for change, going to school is an extremely important part of your life, right? Can you imagine your life without going to school? Yes, definitely you will say, yes ma'am, now we are not going to school because there is a problem, right? Because of that COVID-19 we all are at home, but still you are connected with school, right? So during that time there were no opportunities for girls to go to school and to get proper education, right? Today it is difficult for us to imagine that school and learning could be seen as out of bounds, right? So most children learned the work during that time, but in the past the skill of reading and writing was known to only a few, the one who belonged from good families, right? And the general caste people, they only were getting the proper learning and the proper reading education, that too only male, not females, right? So if I say in community, most children learn the work their families or elders did. They probably, if barber son was has to be barber only, है ना, in the earliest time, but nowadays you cannot imagine. If I talk about Narendra Modi, can you think about him? What he was and what he is. So education can change anything, right? So in communities that taught sons to read and write, during that time only good communities people, they used to teach their sons only, not to daughters, because उनकी thinking क्या थी कि बेटा तो पढ़ जाएगा तो their generation will be good further, right? And also he may get good job, but girls they have to go to the another house, है ना, उनकी तो शादी हो जाएगी, वो तो दूसरे घर चले जाएंगी, तो why to spend money on girls on their education? Fine. If I say there is very fine example, girls were just the helping hands during that time. We can say supportive hands. If I'll take example of pottery only, during that time, in the pottery trade, women collected the mud and prepared the earth for the pots. They were not taught to how to run that wheel to make that pot. Only boys were taught. Fine. So, but there was a change in the 19th century. Many new ideas about education and learning emerged. Schools became more common, and communities that had never learned reading and writing started sending their children to school. So everyone, they were started getting educated, even girls and boys. If each and every communities, they started sending their children to schools for education. So beta, here is one story, small story of Ramabai. You can see Ramabai 1858 to 1922, shown above with her daughter. She is Ramabai and she is holding her daughter. Championed the cause of women education. She never went to school but learned to read and write from her parents. She never went to school, but still she had a zeal to learn and write, and then she started reading and writing from her parents only. She was given the title Pandita because she could read and write Sanskrit. During that time, there was very respectful persons, the one who knew about the Sanskrit, and those were only Pandits. That is why she had given a tag of Pandita. Fine. So that was a remarkable achievement, as women then were not allowed such knowledge, because उस टाइम पे वुमेन को इतनी नॉलेज होती नहीं थी, बट शी वॉज हैविंग अ बिग zeal to learn each and everything, and she learned Sanskrit as well and tagged as Pandita Ramabai. Fine. So she went on set up a mission in Khergaon near Pune in 1898, where girls were taught each and everything. You can see in this picture, girls are also learning printing in the printing press skill. Even if I talk about our country, still if I talk about our area, still girls are not aware about the printing press. So in 1819 she went there to set up a mission where widows and the poor women were encouraged not only to become literate but to be independent, कि अपने पैरों पे stand कैसे होना है. Fine. So this was the story Ramabai.